Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 共同館 I'm Ryusei. Today I'll introduce how to make authentic ponzu. Ponzu is a Japanese signature seasoning, and I'm sure almost households have a ponzu. We can buy a ready-made ponzu, but it's made from fresh citrus is the best. And I'll introduce some Japanese popular citruses: Yuzu, Sudachi, Kabosu, and lemon. Actually, it's difficult to prepare the same citruses, but you can use other citruses instead of them. For example, orange, grapefruit, lime, and so on. And I also introduce how to use squeezed citruses. I hope this video is interesting and informative for you. Yes, let's make it.
First of all, I'll prepare citrus. I'll use these citruses. Today I bought 4 types of citrus. Using some types of citrus will give our ponzu more complex flavors. At first, this is Yuzu. The famous place for the production of Yuzu is Kochi Prefecture. Kochi Prefecture is in Shikoku region. And here. I cut it into half. The feature of Yuzu is definitely aroma. This aroma is so loved in Japan and an essential ingredient of ponzu. We can buy a bottle of liquid yuzu and use it instead of fresh one. Next, Sudachi. The main production area is Tokushima Prefecture. Tokushima Prefecture is next to Kochi Prefecture, and Sudachi is produced over 90% here. The feature of it is also aroma, but it's completely different from the aroma of yuzu. The aroma of Sudachi is refreshing and similar to lime. If you have tried yuzu, I recommend to try Sudachi next. And then this is Kabosu. Most of Kabosu is made in Oita Prefecture. Oita Prefecture is in Kyushu region, and here. Over 95% of Kabosu is produced in Oita Prefecture. The size of Kabosu is bigger than Sudachi, and Kabosu has a lot of juice. This refreshing flavor of Kabosu goes well with many dishes, meat and fish. I'm sure Kabosu is similar to yellow grapefruit. Finally, lemon. Also, lots of lemon is imported from America and Chile. It's produced in Japan as well. Hiroshima Prefecture is the largest producer of lemon. Hiroshima Prefecture is in Chugoku region and here. Hiroshima Prefecture faces to Seto inside the sea, and the climate around there is similar to Mediterranean climate. Warm and good sunlight. Nice. The aroma is clean and refreshing. These are 4 citruses: Yuzu, Kabosu, Sudachi, and lemon. Beautiful. Before squeezing, I make circular cuts. This works helps us to get juice as much as possible. Okay. Nice. I prepared all of them. The aroma is so good and makes me feel relaxing and happy. Also, I squeeze them by hand. You can do it any way you like. Okay, I drain a sieve. I stir it. The citrus juice is done. I separated each citruses, but the appearance is almost same. I keep it in the fridge. Next, these are sake and mirin. I add 15 grams of sake and 15 grams of mirin, and I'll heat it. I turn on the heat. Once it starts to boil, I turn down the heat and keep heating until the alcohol is removed. If the alcohol is removed, I don't smell the alcohol. Okay, I turn off the heat. And then I transfer it to a bowl. And I add 120 grams of koikuchi. I mix them. These are Konbu, Bonito flakes, and dried shiitakemushroom. I add them to give the flavors umami to Ponzu. Nice. And then I add citrus juice. Okay, I cover it with a plastic wrap. Nice. I keep it in the fridge over 6 hours to extract the sensitive umami gradually. 6 hours later, I remove the plastic wrap. I drain a sieve. The aroma is perfect. I squeeze it to extract the flavor. Okay, Ponzu is done. I recommend to keep it in the fridge for 1 week to blend the flavor of them together well. I'll introduce some ways to reuse the squeezed citruses. First, I peel off the skin thinly and I chop it. I top it on the dish. Yuzu gives amazing aroma to the dish. Next, I'll introduce yuzu jam. I peel off the skin roughly. Okay, I also chop it. Nice. Then I'll use the seed to thicken the jam. I place it on the kitchen paper and I fold it. Okay. Then I blanch yuzu to remove the astringency. I add yuzu to the boiling water. I stir it lightly. Once the water boils again, I turn off the heat and drain a sieve. Okay, this is 200 grams of the water. I turn on the heat. I add 35 grams of sugar. I start to dissolve the sugar. Nice. Then I add yuzu. I turn down the heat and I add the seed. I simmer it down for 40 minutes over low heat. "40 minutes later, I turn off the heat and let it cool. The aroma is amazing. It's cooled down. I top it on yogurt. We can add it to the tea as well. I hope you will enjoy them.
Thank you. Did you enjoy? In Japan, we use ponzu to many dishes, vegetable, fish, and meat. Please try to make your original ponzu. I hope you will enjoy Japanese traditional seasoning. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.